Friends, I'm going to explain the concept of access specifiers using this simplest example. Private, public and protected. What we have is the public scenario first. I have lost my wallet. This wallet is now kept in public. So there is some passerby who is coming and he has got all access to the public property. This is publicly available content. So he is having all access to it. Let's see how does he take it. You can see that he is walking towards it and he is taking it. The member functions, the variables, whatever I have in that wallet is all accessible by this kid. So when you have it public, the content, the variable, the member functions, everything can be accessed by anybody. This is public concept. We are going to see the private right now. And now we are going to deal the private way of using access specifiers. You can see that I have the wallet in a trouser and it is kept safe. This is private. If I am trying to take it, see, I am trying to pick it up. I got hit. I am trying again. I got hit. As simple as that. So he can access it. He can take it. He can access it and it is private to him. So he can take the wallet and he can access it. He can open the wallet. He can access the content. He can access the functions, the variables, everything can be done very freely by him. It is private only to him. If I touch, he'll kick me out. That's it. So I have told you what exactly is public and what exactly is private. Now we are going to see protected. What is it? I'm going to keep the same wallet inside my almirah or my rack. He's my son, so he has got access permissions to it and nobody else has. I'm going to prove you that. Now you could see that the wallet is kept in the almirah and he's my son, he's my inherited property, he's my inherited member, so he can access it. So this is protected, but nobody else outside this window, nobody else is permitted to access that. That's all. The private, public, protected, all these are done with a very simple demo. I hope you liked it. In case you have questions, you can ping me in the chat section. Thank you.